What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. What up, Zach? And what up, Bezelbub? Bezelbub, I think you subscribed yesterday. No, I saw you commented yesterday. So I think you're new here. Not sure, though. But welcome to the community, dude. Welcome to the show. Bitcoin effing wow. What happened to Bitcoin? Last time I checked, it was at 30K. I mean, it did go down a lot since yesterday. It was pushing 32 yesterday, but I hope nothing happened recently. I just checked it a couple hours ago. It was sitting around 30K. Critical support, critical resistance at 30K. So, not really sure what's going on there, but I think it's sitting around 30K, and it probably will be for a while. What up, Ken? So, give everyone the what's up.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Got some good gain with AERC. Yeah. That was an honorable mention today. Some guys were discussing it on Discord earlier. I did keep an eye on that all day. Yeah, big gain there. Definitely squeezing. I think it's starting to wind down now. We'll keep an eye on it in the aftermarket, but congrats to you, Ken. Give you some money. Got in at 410. Damn. Oh, you already sold. Okay. 410. Damn. So you got in real early, dude. Wow. You kind of caught the bottom there. You pretty much did catch the bottom. Let me just check. 410. Yeah, that was like literally the bottom. So, great catch there. Don't know how you managed to do that, but great catch there. And you sold at 7. So, yeah, that was too early, but you know what? That's still a pretty fat gain. That's a very, very fat gain, so you can't be too upset. You could have made 200%, but, almost 100 there, so don't be too upset, dude. You did the right thing. You hit the sell button. You took your profits. So, yeah, I feel you, dude. Missed opportunity, missed tendies there, but you made, I can't be too upset. You made some pretty fat gains there, so congrats to you, dude. Enjoy them. And what up, Educated Fool?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Did good on my cannabis stock. CLVR did good today. Let's check that out. That one out. CLVR. Clever Leaves. I keep thinking it's Clover. Clever Leaves. Okay, yeah. That was up 13.5%. Not sure how the rest of the industry is doing, the cannabis sector, but congrats to you, dude. Sounds like everyone made some pretty fat gains today. I mean, it was a pretty good day. So congrats to you, Educated Fool. And thanks for being here. Yeah, this stock ran too fast. Doesn't give you any time to think. Yeah. Well, sometimes you can't think. You just gotta do. So I think you did the right thing there. Hope everyone made money today. Yeah. Sounds like everyone did. So, yeah. Hope everyone made some fat tendies. All right. So today is Tuesday, June 7th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. All right. AERC still running aftermarket. Was it? Because I looked at it right before the show, and it started going down, so I guess we'll come back to it. So I was thinking about talking about it today, but there's not too much TA to go over. It's just a straight-up short squeeze. But we'll keep an eye on it, though. It's back to 12 now? Yeah, 12. That's where it closed at, approximately 12. So, selling off at the end of the day here, but still pretty big gain overall. Time to FOMO? Yeah, I don't think so, dude. If you want to, knock yourself out. But, you made a fat gain. I would just chill. Just enjoy them. Enjoy the tendies. All right, guys. So appreciate everyone for being here nice and early. Decent amount of people in here already. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. So, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Lagging a little bit here. My apologies, guys. Don't know what's going on. But whatever. So yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today we got two articles, minor articles. One about Gemini, the exchange Gemini, and one about OnlyFans. CNBC did an article about OnlyFans, so we'll get to that. Nothing too serious, but I thought it was funny, so I should share with you guys. Really not too much news today. Nothing going on. No big stories or anything. So we got some minor articles there. I'll share with you guys. And then today for the analysis, we'll be doing AMC and Redbox. Major price action in those two stocks. They were, I think, number 2 and 3 on StockTwits today after SPY, and then it was AERC. So we'll get to those. Shouldn't take too long. I got my notes right here. Not too much TA to go over. So we'll get through that, and then we'll get to the Yolos. Not too many Yolos today. Mostly memes, and I think some actual, 2 or 3 actual Yolos. So, yeah, Wall Street Bet's still slacking. But yeah, guys, not too much to get to today. Not too much content. Just 2 minor articles, 2 pretty quick TAs, and not too many Yolos. So, today shouldn't really go that long. Maybe 2 hours today. Maybe a little less, but we'll aim for 2 hours today, depending on how many people come in chat, which I always welcome, but, Tuesday is pretty slow in terms of streaming, one of the slower days, so I'm not really expecting too much out of that. But if more people do come in chat, then that's fine with me, willing to stay as long as you guys want me to. Alright, guys, so it should be a pretty chill, short show today. We'll see how it goes. Appreciate everyone for being here. Let's get started. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. And quick rant, not a rant, but update. So, got a lot of subs yesterday. So, I actually lost 6 subs over the week. And it didn't really seem right, but I think YouTube was purging them for me, or so YouTube was doing something, and they gave them back because after the show I was at 885, and then after the show yesterday it was at 890. So I doubt we got 5 subs from the live show, but and then we got 7 more after that after I posted the Mullen video yesterday. So 12 subs. Was it 12 subs? Yeah, 12 subs in one day. So appreciate you guys. Couldn't do without you guys. We're pushing 900 now. Almost there. Almost at 1,000. Almost monetized. That should, happen in the short term. So appreciate everyone. I don't want to give it back. Then don't, dude. I certainly wouldn't go for it again. just chill out. Is IMPP doing good? It got shorted too much. We'll check it out. But I think Olive Oil did pretty good today. I know Exxon did. Zach was talking about Exxon earlier. Yeah, that pumped. I think for the most part, oil did good today, but I didn't see IMPP. We'll check it out right now. I bought AMC 3 weeks ago. All right, well, Bezo Bub, I think you got a pretty good entry. Not exactly sure where it was 3 weeks ago. But doesn't seem like it moved that much. So, yeah, I think you got a pretty good entry there. Not like a super excellent entry, but pretty decent entry. And, stick around for the AMC TA, which we'll get to today. But it does look pretty bullish. So you really can't go too wrong at your entry, wherever that was. Novavax halted all day? Really? Why? I did see it got halted, but I didn't know it got halted all day. Let's get started, guys. $13 now, damn. On AERC. Yep, I guess it's still going, still squeezing. Took 50 shares short in Exxon after hours, expecting a pullback at this point. All right, yeah, good luck to you, dude. I mean, I think it's a pretty good entry. All-time high, RSI is at 75 now, so overbought, overvalued. Yeah, it should pull back. It should, in theory, it should pull back. But, oil and gas is going crazy right now, so should work out in theory. But we'll see how it goes. But, yeah, you seem to do pretty good shorting these, boomer stocks. So good luck to you, Zach. Wow, went up 4.5% today. Big gain there. Okay, what are we looking at? IMPP first. Yeah, big day here, 10%. So it's getting back up there, dude. So we talked about this before, but I don't expect a short squeeze or anything, but it does look pretty bullish in the longer term. I just buy and hold it for right now. So big day today, and for all the oil, and yeah, should keep going up from here. Okay. So let's get started with the watch list here. I hate this delay. I just don't want to pay for Thinkorswim. Kind of stupid how they make financial professionals actually pay for the service when everything else is free for retail. Kind of counterintuitive. Whatever. All right, so the Dow Jones up 0.8%, Nasdaq up 0.89%, and the S&P up 0.95%. So pretty good day all around in all the major indexes. So let's give that to J Powell. Yeah, guys, we may have bottomed. I've been saying that. Can't say for sure, but it does look like the market is slowly recovering, day by day. Slowly but surely. Again, can't say for sure, but it is starting to look bullish. I'm starting to believe now. VIX is down 4.19%, down 1.05 points. So the VIX is at 24 now. So, we're getting back to normal. VIX was crazy not too long ago, in the high 30s. So we're getting back under 20. Not there yet, but every day the VIX is slowly going down as well. So that's a good sign. That's looking pretty bullish. Hopefully we can stay there. But yeah, it looks like things are getting back to normal. So fingers crossed. Bull market from here. Should we buy into Amazon? Well, not financial advice, but Amazon's not going anywhere, and it just split, so that is bullish. And yeah, I think it's a pretty good time to buy the dip on tech, all stocks, but tech especially. So yeah, I can support buying Amazon, but that's definitely a buy and hold. I think it's a good time to enter. I used to have Amazon at 3,200, and then I got stopped out, and I was kind of upset. It went to like close to 4,000, like 3,800, and then came back down, and I was like, damn, didn't make any money on that. But in hindsight, good thing I got stopped out of there. Short UU to random pop on random news. Energy fuels. Yeah, so more energy stuff, more oil. Yeah, the whole energy sector has been doing pretty good lately. So not sure what happened today, but big spike here. Not sure what your entry is, Zach, but yeah, good luck to you, dude. Hope you make some fat tendies. Bitcoin red to green. We just bottomed, guys. Expecting a hard rally from here in both crypto and tech. I hope so. That'd be very nice. I've been getting wrecked on crypto lately, so a nice little rally would be nice. And then I could, start day trading again once crypto comes back up. But yeah, a lot of apes getting wrecked in crypto and tech, everything, but especially crypto and tech and growth. So come on, J Powell. All right. So let's take a look at the watch list here today. Not going to spend too much time on this. Let me just check YouTube real quick as well. 8 viewers, 8 likes. A lot of people in the house. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
So, a lot of people in here, just not so many people chatting. That's right. Appreciate all the lurkers. And please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Pal is speaking tomorrow. About what? What's the occasion? What's the event? Well, you know, traditionally, usually that's bearish. But as of late, I don't know, people, when the Fed talks, it's actually been going up. So, that can go either way. But honestly, I'm not expecting him to say anything. The last times the Fed spoke, they haven't said anything new. They're just like, yeah, everything is normal. Interest rates are going up as planned. We're not going to raise them over 50 points. And we're going to keep hiking them throughout the year. So, I'm expecting more or less the same. Usually bearish Wednesday. We'll see. I hope not. But, you know, wouldn't be surprised. We've been pumping pretty good here lately. So, maybe time for a little bit of a pullback here. What up, Punk Skater?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. As always, I got in on what? And what up, Rick Kroll? What's up, dude? Haven't seen you here before, so I think you're new. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the community. Thoughts on Mullen and Nile? Okay, we could quickly look at those. And Apple Call was up 59%, lock-in profits. Congrats to you, Punk Skater. Sounds like everyone did pretty good today. Everyone made some pretty fat tendies. Congrats to everyone. Alright, Rick, so I did a video yesterday on Mullen. If you want, you can check that out. I think it's like 8 minutes long. So I'll give you a summary here. But yeah, I think it's gonna run for the next 3 weeks. 2.5, 3 weeks, because it just got added to the Russell index. It's going to get added to the Russell 2 and 3000s. So a lot of fund managers are going to be accumulating Mullen until June 24th. So I think in the short term, it is bullish. Probably going to keep running till, what did I say, June 24th? Yeah, that's the date. And then after that, I expect it to sell off. I do kind of think it's going to come back to $1. There's a gap here. Good chance it does. So yeah, I think it's going to run for the next few weeks, and then it's going to pull back maybe to $1. But longer term, it does look really good. Big cup and handle and multiple gap downs. You know, should come back to like $12 eventually. There's a gap there. So, long-term bullish. Short-term bullish for a couple weeks, and then after that, bearish. I think it probably going to come back down to $1, honestly. So I hope that helps, dude. And Nile, haven't seen this one in a little bit. Alright, so, yeah, can't go too wrong here with Nile. RSI is at 46, so pretty average RSI. So, not the greatest entry, but pretty decent entry. Very average entry. Can't go too wrong. You know, this is pretty low at 35. And longer term, looks like a big cup and handle, so that's bullish. So, you know, I think 35 is a pretty good entry. Nothing special, but, you know, really can't go too wrong. And it's definitely a buy and hold. May take a while before it comes back up. But, you know, 35 cents, pretty good entry. Really shouldn't go too much lower. So, yeah, I like 35 as an entry. But it may come back down, and you may be able to get better. But you can't go too wrong here. But, yeah, this is definitely a long-term play, in my opinion. Bro, can you look at GME? Was on a rampage today? Yeah, sure. Yeah, GME was on a I did see that. Meme stock did pretty well. But for whatever reason, GME is not that popular anymore. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. That's all I ask. Just ran out of Tilray. Yeah, it was 420. Well, got a re-up. The lettuce, not the stock. Now I got you, dude. Alright, so GME. So, it's Getting a little dangerous. RS has a 62 now, but I think I drew it here. Yeah, broke out of the descending channel. That was bullish. Here was the bull flag. Breaking out of that now. That's bullish. Cup and handle here. Longer term, that's bullish. And the gap down here at 290, so also bullish. A lot of bullish indicators. Definitely looks a lot more bullish than bearish in the short and long terms. I think in the short term, this may come back up to 200. Possibly. And really the only bearish indicator is the above average RSI, but it still has room to run to the upside. So, yeah, I think it's gonna keep going in the short and long terms. Short term, this may run back up to 200 before it pulls back. But it does look pretty bullish in the short and long terms. And yeah, really good day today for GME and really all the meme stocks. All right, let's run down the watch list here. Not gonna spend too much time on this. So we got AERC, honorable mention today. We may have to do a video on that after the show, depending on where it ends up, or maybe tomorrow. But there's not too much TA on that. But yeah, that was definitely squeezing today, and still going here in the aftermarket. So we'll keep an eye on that. It's up 155%. Finished the day. Wow, HUSA, big gain there, 45%. Yeah, oil did really well today, large and small cap. Redbox, which we'll discuss second today after AMC, that's up 28%. Pulling back in the aftermarket here, though. But big day for Redbox. We'll do a full T on that coming up. Got GME, Ocugen. So a lot of meme stocks, a lot of growth stocks popping today. MPP did well, another oil stock. AMC, which we'll discuss first today. That's up 9.4%. Big day there. Stick around. We'll do a full TA on that. China doing really well. Alibaba's up over 5%. Exxon, 4.6%. Big day for oil again. Moderna, 3.8%. XPeng, more Chinese stocks. BP, more oil stocks. Got Lockheed Martin. Neo, Baidu, more Chinese stocks. Lee, another one. Ford, 2%. Meme Index up 2%. Chevron. MicroStrategy is up. Looks like 420 is up as well. 420 stocks. Travel stocks, airlines, cruises. Apple, 1.76%, pretty nice. Palantir, Twitter, GM, Microsoft. Not too much movement after this. Got Johnson & Johnson, MasterCard, T-Mobile, Southwest, American Express, Chipotle. Yeah, so it looks like the most price action was definitely growth today. Growth and China did really, really good today. Growth, memes, and China. But pretty much everything is up. Good day in the stock market today. So everyone made money here, but especially the apes. Apes did really well today. Boomers did pretty good as well. And let's go on the red side here. Not too much in the red. We just got XCLA, Robinhood, Riot. Mullins down a little bit. Marathon, DD, but DD went up a lot yesterday. Target, big pullback there, 2.3%. Coinbase, Amazon, DraftKings. Not much in the red. Not much in the red at all. So it seems like a few growth meme stocks and crypto in the red here. And some retail, Amazon and Target specifically. But yeah, not much in the red. A lot of stocks in the green, so most people should have made some pretty fat tendies today. Apes and boomers. Everyone should have made some pretty good tendies. So congrats to everyone. So yeah, we're getting a little momentum here. Little by little. the market is slowly recovering. So I have faith. I have hope. Everyone's, saying recession. I'm like, really? It looks pretty good to me. I think we may have bottomed out. So hopefully the momentum keeps up, and everything keeps on running up. What up, PZ? Nice meeting you, dude. Appreciate you as always.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Yeah, AERC is 13 now aftermarket. So still running. Nancy Pelosi bought Microsoft and Apple. Yeah, we did see that. Well, actually, we didn't discuss that on the show, but in Discord yesterday, people were talking about that. You guys in the community, forgot who did, but someone posted. Yeah, Nancy Pelosi's trade. She got leaps in Microsoft and Apple. I think they expire in May. No, not May. March 2023. So shout out to, can't remember who did, but shout out to you guys for great information, great resources. And yeah, if anyone wants to join our Discord, link in the description. So we don't have to chat here on the live show every day. We can chat whenever we want. 24/7. Father's Day in 2 weeks, then 2 weeks after that, 4th of July, oil will keep going up through the summer. Why? Because people are going to travel for those events. I mean, oil is just going to go up no matter what. Because, the whole Russia thing. Supply chain, although the supply chain is becoming normal again. But yeah, oil is going strong. Energy is going to keep on ripping for a while. We just need oil to plummet now. Maybe a while. I don't know. It's looking pretty strong. I don't think it's going anywhere. But yeah, of course Zach wants oil to go down. He has some shorts. But the whole sector is looking pretty strong right now, I have to admit. All right. So AERC's at 1350 now. Wow. Still pumping, huh? Still pumping. Yeah, amazing. 1350. Let's see. I kind of want to talk about it, but there's no TA. This is nothing really to go off of. Just a big cup and handle. Top is like 120. I doubt it's going back there, but there's nothing really to analyze here. Just big cup and handle. High RSI. RSI's at 93, so extremely overbought, extremely overvalued. If it keeps up like this, it's going to gap tomorrow. And yeah, big volume the past 2 days, so definitely short squeezing. So, getting a lot of chatter on StockTwits. Big retail favorite right now, but there's not much to analyze here. It's short squeezing. May have more momentum to go, but this is going to crash hard, and a lot of people are going to lose their pants here. So if you guys are in this, hit the sell button. Hit the sell button. Take your profits. So it may have like a day or two more to run, but it's gonna have to come down eventually. FOMO? Yeah, don't do that. Resist FOMO. No FOMO. CPI inflation report on Friday. Yeah, I think it's gonna be bullish though. Who knows? It may not even matter whether. Doesn't really matter what it's gonna say. The market will react the way it's gonna react, but inflation is going down. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. It may take we were at like 8.5 last time it came out, inflation. The goal is 2%. That's normal, so it may take a while before we get back to 2%. But the rate hikes are working, so that is bullish for the market. Say no to FOMO. Yeah, no FOMO. It's a pun for no rainbow. Insert word. Substitute word there. I don't want to get flagged by YouTube. But yeah, I was kind of thinking about making a shirt. No FOMO. Eventually, when I get merch going and stuff. But yeah, that's a pun. No FOMO. All right, let's get to crypto today, guys. 1 second here. I'm gonna pull that up. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. All right, crypto's coming back. Bitcoin's coming back. Nice. Nice. All right. And what up, Austin? What's up, dude?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Saw my SPY puts at open and did a day trade on SPY calls to take a little bit more profits. Well, awesome, dude. You did the right thing there, selling your SPY puts, because, you know, it did moon today. Actually, in the beginning, the market was in the red, but throughout the day, it kept pumping up. So, yeah, you know, congrats on your gains there. And you went full Chad mode, then you bought calls. So, yeah, really, really nice catches on both sides. Sounds like everyone made some pretty good money today. So, very, very happy for everyone in the community. Everyone making tendies. Bro, have you seen a meme of the South Park? Nice? No, I don't think so. But I do watch a lot of South Park. That's like my favorite show. That's the only TV show I actually watch. But no, I don't know this meme. Gotta check it out later. Maybe you can link it or put it in Discord or something. All right, let me just check YouTube real quick before we get started here on crypto. So it looks like a lot of people dipped. We got 5 viewers here. That's what YouTube says at least. 13 likes. So a lot of people supporting the show today. Very surprising because Tuesday is usually pretty slow. One of the slower days for streaming. But yeah, you know, appreciate everyone. The community is growing every single day, getting bigger. So much thanks. Couldn't do it without you guys. Every show we're averaging like probably 15 to 20 likes now. I remember it's come a long way since since, you know, I was talking to myself most of the time. And then I remember all the OGs. Zach was like one of the OGs. It was me and Zach here. That was it. Now we got a whole community going. So yeah, much thanks.
I appreciate you.
All right, let's get to crypto. All right, so crypto's up 0.36% today. So, you know, not that much price action, nothing too crazy, but slightly bullish, I'll take it. Trending, we got Binance, Terra Classic. Why is Terra still trending every single day? I don't know. And then Dot Moves, whatever that is. Biggest gainers, Revelado, Unify Protocol, DAO, and Golden Nugget. Gold Nugget? Like the casino, Golden Nugget? I don't know. Whatever. Enough of that nonsense. Let's get on to the actual crypto here. Should we invite BBIG CEO Rara Coco here? You mean BBIG's biggest shiller? Well, he has his own community. I mean, he seems like a really nice guy. Very likable, charismatic guy. But that doesn't mean you should listen to what he's saying. Ultimately, I think he's going to screw a lot of his community. So I like him, but you know, these Moon Boys, they rise to fame very quickly and fall very quickly too. So it's about longevity here. It's from the episode the little kid smashed his teacher, and one of the adults said, "Nice." Huh. I don't know which episode that is. And I've seen like every episode of South Park. Is that one of the older ones? No, I gotta check it out later. What up, Wilson?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Alright. Well, let's check the meme out here. But losing money is not nice at all. Yeah, he's just there to lift your spirits, to play psychologist. It's okay, guys. Don't worry. It's gonna go back up. Am I worried? No, I'm smiling. That's every single video now. Don't worry, guys. Look at me. Am I upset? No. See, I'm smiling every single day. Don't worry. It'll be okay. That's his whole channel now. And then Nuclear Moas. Just wait. Nuclear Moas is coming. It's pretty sad. Who deleted Kenny? He actually doesn't, I don't think Kenny gets deleted anymore. Kenny lives now. Nice. Yeah, I don't really remember this. Why does this cop look stoned here? Alright, yeah, this is a new one. I haven't seen this one. That sucked. He always got deleted. Yeah. That was good in the beginning, but now he that doesn't happen anymore. But still a great show. My favorite show of all time. Don't worry, guys. Everything will go up. Yeah. Pretty sad. That's a lot of these, meme stock channels now. You scream moon, and then when it doesn't moon, don't worry, guys. It will moon. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Nuclear Moas. Pretty sad. Pretty sad. But like I said, he's a nice guy. The same episode they had about Dog the Bounty Hunter. I think I know which one that is. It's been a long time since, that's pretty old. Gotta rewatch that. But I have not seen the meme. But maybe I should add it. You want me to add it to, I'll add it later to my memes here. So, and any other suggestions you guys want me to add? Any memes or sound effects, Always looking to improve the show. I need Rara Coco to pump Luna from 00014 to $10. Yeah, good luck. But yeah, he could do it. As charismatic as he is. Nuclear Moas, the shorts are gonna have to cover. Just wait, guys, just wait. Do you see me upset? I'm not upset. To the moon, they said. What is that emoji? Is that a hole? I don't even know what that is. He said triple digit. Shorts are in margin call. He said 4 digits, didn't he? Yeah, he said Nuclear Moas. Just wait. He said, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. Just keep buying and holding. He really thinks it's the next GME or something. Yeah, pretty sad, pretty sad. People just can't accept reality. All right, let's continue here. Crypto. So Bitcoin's back at 31.4K. Very nice. It was there yesterday, and then it went under 30K, and now it's right back here. So, yeah, I was pretty upset when it went back down under 30K, but it's recovering here. Ether down 0.6% at 1850 now. Binance pretty sideways. Cardano doing good, 5.4%. XRP 3.4. Solana down 2.5. Dogecoin sideways. Not much going on here. Chainlink did really good, 12.35%. Monero doing good. Not too much price action. I don't see much price action here. Tezos going up. Let's sort this out. Wall Street Bet says to the moon and the stock tanks. Well, that's another joke, just inverse Wall Street Bets. honestly, just inverse retail. Anything that's blowing up, you know, Wall Street Bets, StockTwits, anything Twitter, you inverse it, you're probably gonna win. Not all the time, but you know, it's usually a good strategy. By the time it's that popular, it's over. You missed it. All right. So biggest gainer Chainlink, 12%, and then eCash, Gala, Cardano, biggest value coin, and then XRP after that. But yeah, not much price action at all. Only coin in the double digits is Chainlink. I used to have Chainlink. I sold that way too early. Actually, seems like there's more red than green here. Or about 50-50. Yeah, it's about 50-50. Let's go on the red side. Yeah, so on the red side, not as much price action. Biggest loser is Convex Finance, 8.1%. And then big drop off from there, ICP 5%, and then Curve under 3%. So, yeah, it looks like there's an equal amount of red and green coins, but price action on the green side is better. And it seems like there's more value coins going up today. So, yeah, slightly bullish day. Crypto is slowly recovering as well. So, I'll take it. I'll take it. So, yeah, great day in the stock market. Slightly bullish day in the crypto market. So, overall, pretty good day today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. He's promoting AMC too, so yeah, he's just another meme boy, another meme squeeze boy. Pretty sad. He just talks about a lot of meme stocks, actually. Look at AERC now. AERC, ouch. Alright, let's check it out. So I'm a little behind here on TD, but I see on IBKR here. So now it's down aftermarket. Okay. So it was at close to it hit 15.25 at the high here, and now it's down under 12 again. Looks like a Head and Shoulders. So there it goes.
And it's gone.
FOMO in 15 makes nice profit down. Yeah, if you shorted at 15. So we'll keep an eye on this. But yeah, now it's back down to 12 again. So right back where it was when it closed. But it looks like a Head and Shoulders is developing here. So that can be bad. We'll keep an eye on this. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't play this now. Way too late. No FOMO, guys. No FOMO. Alright, article time. 1 second, let me pull it up. Only got 2 articles today. And let me check YouTube here. 7 viewers, 14 likes. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Okay, let's do it. So today we only got 2 articles, 2 minor articles. Nothing too crazy going on today. We got some news about Gemini and one about OnlyFans. So let's quickly get through this. So Gemini's legal troubles continue with new IRA lawsuit. So after the CFTC, the Gemini Trust Co. has now been sued by the IRA over the former's failure to prevent a hack that resulted in pension fund losses amounting to $36 million. Okay, so this is breaking news. So apparently Gemini got hacked. And I did read here. How did they exploit this? So the hackers got the master keys from unencrypted emails, and then they caused a distraction via falsely reporting a kidnapping. And then they took the master keys and withdrew the money amidst the chaos. So they stole 21 million in Bitcoin and 15 million in Ether. And it did not trigger the anti-fraud system. So it seems very sophisticated. This was very well executed by the hackers. Pretty scary stuff, because even big exchanges like this can get exploited. So, 36 million isn't that much money compared to all these other hacks that have happened. But this is definitely on Gemini, so they should definitely reimburse the money here. I can't see how they won't reimburse. This is totally their fault, and they have the money to do it. But yeah, imagine this is your retirement here, and then boom, it's gone.
And it's gone.
So yeah, Gemini should make this right, but they're in a whole bunch of trouble as of late. All right, and next article. OnlyFans says it's not seeing a Netflix-like slowdown in subscribers despite rising inflation. So I actually pulled this from Wall Street Bets. So now we got CNBC articles about OnlyFans. Amazing. So yeah, we're not going to really go through this whole thing, but I thought this was funny. Thought I should share with you guys. OnlyFans executives said the platform is not experiencing a slowdown in subscriber numbers despite climbing prices. In April, Netflix reported its first quarterly drop in paid users in more than a decade. Last year, OnlyFans faced intense backlash from its users over a decision to ban corn, a plan the firm subsequently decided to drop. So, yeah, bad economy, rising inflation, but yeah, it never fails, right? The Simps will always continue to support the economy. And I don't know, probably a couple of weeks ago we talked about this, right? You guys want some good financial advice? Don't pay for OnlyFans. Don't pay for OnlyFans. Great way to waste your money. Corn is free. Don't really see why you would pay for this. Plus, you could probably find some leaks for free as well. It's not that bad, guys. Don't be desperate. Don't pay for OnlyFans. So, yeah, OnlyFans will always going to be in business as long as Simps are around. So OnlyFans needs to they need to IPO so I could buy some stock. I buy some OnlyFans stock. All right, let's get to. So that's all the articles for today, guys. Nothing too serious. Some minor stuff here. Let's get to the TA now. Novavax still halted. Is it? Let's check it out. Yeah, it looks like it. It didn't trade today, huh? What is going on? I mean, there was the decision to, FDA decision, wasn't there? So it got halted ahead of FDA advisory committee meeting for the vaccine. Pete Buttigieg test positive for C19. Yeah, I don't know why this is halted. So it's not a circuit breaker halt. It's a news halt. But this really shouldn't have been halted all day. So when is it going to be unhalted? after the meeting. When is the meeting? Yeah, this really shouldn't have got halted. So this is either gonna go, I don't know. If it gets approved, honestly, I don't think it's gonna be that great either way. If it gets approved, it's a little too late in my opinion. We pretty much got the C19 under control here in America. And if it gets not approved, this is gonna tank like crazy. So I think this is a lose-lose here. I don't know. And this thing halted for so long, it's not helping. It's probably making a lot of people nervous. So when is this going to get unhalted? Alright, so they voted already. 21-0. That the benefits outweigh the risks. So that's sounds good. Sounds like it will get approved. So they all think it sounds like it's gonna get approved. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. It really shouldn't have been halted in the first place, and I don't know why it's still halted. So it sounds bullish. It sounds like it's gonna go through, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna run as much as people think. We shall see, though. They validated it as a booster, but still halted. Meeting is over. Yeah, kind of weird. I don't know what's going on here. So maybe tomorrow it'll unhalt, but really shouldn't have halted in the first place. Not all day, at least. So not sure what's going on there. But good luck to the Novavax apes. Alright, guys. So let's get on to the TA today. We're going to do AMC and Redbox. How are we doing on time here? It is, wow, it's going down now. I'm talking about AERC. It's at 11 now, aftermarket.
And it's gone.
So we'll keep an eye on that. But, yeah. I could have told you that was going to happen. Very predictable. Alright, so yeah, we're going to do AMC and Redbox. This shouldn't take too long. Not too many indicators here. Got my notes already. So we've been going for an hour already. So yeah, probably finish by 6 o'clock. Probably finish in 2 hours, which I predicted. Alright, let's do it, guys. Cool. So here is AMC Entertainment. This finishes at $13.07 today. That is up 9.37%.
Winning.
Okay. So we covered this stock not too long ago, last week. It did look pretty bullish. And today, this did make top 10 on StockTwits. I believe it was number 2 after SPY. I think it had about 6,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So no company-specific news to justify this price action today. Just the overall market's doing really well. especially growth and memes. And of course, AMC is one of the OG meme stocks. So big gain here today, very nice. Let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being 970. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 1650, 1890, 2985, or 3480, or 3480. And in the longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be 46.15, $53, 61.10, 65, or even the high of 72.60. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. So the cup and handle is bullish in the short and long terms. Triangle. We do have a symmetrical triangle slash pennant forming here. Right now, this looks like it's consolidating. Right now, this looks like it's consolidating between around $14 and $11. So there's a bit more consolidation. To go. But this should consolidate somewhere between. But this should consolidate around $12.50. And then from there, it should break out. One way or the other. But most likely to the upside. So the symmetrical triangle does appear to be bullish. We have a double top here at around $16. Here's the first top. Here's the second top. So a double bottom may be forming here, and that is bearish. This may come back down to $10.40 or $9.70 to form the double bottom. This looks like it's catching support right now at 12. So it may not even. So this may not even go back down to form the double bottom. But it's possible. So be aware of that, guys. And we do have some pretty critical support here at 1160 and 1040. Retested those supports a couple of times, couldn't quite break it. So I don't really expect this to go lower than 1160, but if it does, this can go really bad. This can come back down to 1040. And if it breaks 1040, that can go really bad as well. But very strong support there at 1160 and 1040. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1305, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1350, 1370, 1410, 1465, 1535, 1585, 1650, 1690, 1730, 1780, 1855, 1890, 1955, 2035, 2065, 2115, 2245, 2325, 2360, 2435, and then 2535. There is resistance above 2535, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Actually, you know what? We should have just stopped at 20. Yeah. And then 2035. There is resistance above 2035, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And I hear the first siren of the day. Alright, let's continue. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $12.65, $12.45, $12, $11.60, $10.90, $10.40, $9.85. Would have stopped there. And then $9.85. There is support below $9.85, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at the current price, $13.05. The channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 21.15 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 21.15. And let's see here. And to the downside, if/when this breaks 9.85, the channel starts to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 9.85. RSI is currently at 48, so that is extremely average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 1307 is around fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit higher. And this did 40 million in volume today, way below the average of 94 million, so this pump today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So long term, the stock definitely looks bullish. Got a strong bullish indicator in the cup and handle. In the short term, this may pull back. This may pull back a little bit. But you really can't go too wrong here at 1305. Again, we have the bullish indicator in the symmetrical triangle, bearish indicator in the double top, and critical support at 1160 and 1040. So in the short term, there is some downside potential, but definitely a lot more upside potential. So therefore, if you want to go long, non-financial advice, 1305 is a pretty decent entry. Not the greatest entry, but not terrible. An extremely average entry here. So in short term, I believe this has the potential to go back. I believe this has the potential to go back up to 3480 to complete the cup. Let's do the math there. Excuse me. And from the current price of 1305, that's over a 160% upside. So a lot of upside potential. And again, there's some very critical support at 1160 and 1040. Going to take a lot of selling pressure to break those supports. So I don't think it's going to break 1160. And from the current price of 1305, that's only a little bit more than a 10% downside. So in the short term, 165% upside potential, 10% downside potential. So the reward definitely outweighs the risk here. I would say going long would be a low risk, very high reward play. So definitely worth a shot in my opinion. So I can't support going long at 1305. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short non-financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that for the same reasons I said to go long. Long term looks really bullish. Short term, this may pull back a little bit, but really shouldn't go too much lower. 10% downside potential, and again, a 165% upside potential. This is AMC, OG meme stock, retail favorite. So theoretically, this can go squeezing at any time. So I would say going short here would be a very high risk, low reward play. Just not worth it, in my opinion. Really no reason to go short here. You're pretty much asking to get burned. So don't really see a reason why to go short here. There are definitely way better short plays out there in the market, and AMC is not one of them. So pretty straightforward, guys. Big day for this stock today. Long term looks really bullish. Short term, there may be a bit. This may pull back a little bit to the downside, but looks pretty bullish as well. So if you want to go long, I can support that. Pretty decent entry at 1305. A lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential, and really no reason to go short here. Again, far more upside potential than downside potential. And you're probably going to get squeezed out and burned. So, don't really see why you'd go short here on AMC. So, congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC Entertainment. All right. Actually, how much would 1040 be? All right, we'll just add a little bit there. And at the very worst, this may come back down to 1040 where the other critical support is. And from the current price of 1305, that would be about a 20% downside. So yeah, definitely a lot more upside potential than downside potential here. All right. Now, Redbox. Can you take a look at SOPA? Sold at 250, trying to back lower. Sure. Should have bought calls for what, AMC? I mean, yeah, it could have, but you know, high risk, high reward. That could go really bad too. Depends on, you know, your strikes and expirations, but be careful with the options, you know. More often than not, retail does not win on that. If anything, you know, this is not financial advice, but I like selling options a lot more than buying options. Buying options is over the long term, doesn't really work. It's a losing play. Selling options over the long term is a winning play. It's just not sexy. It's not, you know, exciting, but very safe and reliable. I mean, you still can buy calls in AMC if you want. You know, it's a pretty good price, but you just don't know when it's going to moon again. So, if anything, you know, I personally would buy shares and sell calls on the shares, covered calls. I think that's a better play than straight up buying calls. But, you know, high risk, high reward. Okay, SOPA, so. Yeah, it looks pretty good long term. Not too many indicators, but big cup and handle. You sold at 250. Trying to get it lower. I mean, it may come down a little lower. RSI is on the higher side here, 60. But, you know, longer term, it does look pretty bullish. So you may not get the chance to get this back lower. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna come back lower. It may though. I could try to draw some support and resistance here. Give me 1 second. There's probably one more here. Yeah, so this is just a very rough sketch. All right, so I would say if it comes back down to the next supports would be 235 and then 150. So if it comes back down to 235 and 150, then you can just rebuy there. But good chance it doesn't, you know. Longer term it does look bullish. Not too many bearish indicators, except for the slightly above average RSI. But yeah, Ken, I would say if you want to rebuy 235, 150, good entries here. And if it doesn't go back down there, don't chase, you know, just let it go. What do you think, Nvidia stock? Should I short or long on that? Well, you know, that's a blue chip stock, so if you're gonna short it, you know, make sure it's a swing play. Don't long hold. Don't hold a short play on Nvidia. No, it looks bullish. It looks bullish, dude. Yeah, blue chip value stock. So over the long term, it's going to go up. And big cup and handle here. Double gap down. Bull flag going here. A lot of bullish indicators. RSI is pretty neutral as well. So, yeah, I would say go long. I would say go long. Not financial advice, but, you know, this is definitely going to go back up. Maybe not in the short term, but this is buy and hold for sure. I definitely would not short this. All right, on to Redbox. What is AERC at now? It's at 1150 now, approximately. All right, give me 1 second, guys. Just going to check my phone real quick. Wow, this is dumping in the aftermarket here, huh? All right, let's go, guys. So here is RDBX Redbox Entertainment. This finishes at $8.55 today. That is up 27.61%. So here's another stock. So we've been covering this stock quite a bit lately. Since this first squeezed in the beginning of May, and then it sold off, thought it was done, and then it squeezed again, and apparently it's still squeezing. Apes don't want to give up. So this stock did make top 10 on StockTwits today. Had over 5,000 mentions. It was third behind SPY and AMC. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So no company-specific news to justify this price action today. Again, it just seems like this is very retail-driven. The apes just don't want to give up, and still squeezing this. Still diamond handing.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being 235. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 850, 945, $11. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be 1170, 1240, 1395, 1475, 1925, or even the high of 2720. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. So the cup and handle is bullish in the short and long terms. So last time we discussed this stock, I did say this looked like a bull flag developing, and it looks like it's due for a breakout soon. And we see here it is starting to break out of the bull flag. So bull flag still a bullish indicator. we do have a symmetrical triangle forming here. Right now, this looks like it's consolidating between $8.50 and $6. So there's a bit more consolidation to go. Let's see here. 125. 725. But this should consolidate somewhere around 725, and from there it's going to break out either way. But it does appear more bullish than bearish. So I would say the symmetrical triangle is a bullish indicator right now. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 810. So that is a bearish indicator for tomorrow. If this holds, that is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. And we do have some pretty critical support here at 505. Retested that a couple of times, couldn't quite break it. So it's going to take some massive selling pressure to break 505. Strong support there. Okay, I think I got it all. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. I think we'll go to 15 here. Nah. Alright. So right now this is sitting on the support of 850, which it finished around today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 880, 915, 945, 980, 1010, 1030, 1050, 1090, 1125, 1170. How high should we go here? Yeah, we'll go to 12. And then 1205. There is resistance above 1205, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 820, 790, 765, 735, 710, 685, 660, 640, 620, $6, 575, 560, 545, 520, and then 505. There is support below 505, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at the current price, 855. The channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular, however, as the price increases, the channels start to open up and get wider. So expect more price action as the stock continues to run to the upside. And to the downside, if/when this breaks 505, there is a very wide channel down to 445. So from 505 down to 445, expect significant price action, and then below 445, expect the price action to return to normal. RSI is currently at 65, so not quite overbought and overvalued, but quickly approaching that, almost there. So be careful, guys. And this did 24.5 million in volume today, way above the average of 3 million. So this pump today was this pump slash squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Definitely still in the middle of a short squeeze here. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So obviously, Redbox is not a buy and hold play. This is a swing trade. This is a squeeze play. I thought this was done squeezing a while ago, but apparently not. And I have to admit, according to the chart, it does still look pretty bullish. It is a gamble, though. It's pretty much a game of hot potato at this point. At some point, sooner or later, this will have to come crashing down, as with every short squeeze. It's a matter of if. It's a matter of when, not if. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Personally, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Just way too risky for my liking. Should have went long. Should have went long. Should have went long a couple of weeks ago. But here at 8:55, I think it's a bit too late to go long. Not saying it's a bad play, but you missed a lot. But you missed a lot of upside already, and there's only, and I don't think there's too much more upside to go here. I would say at most this comes back up to 11 to fill the cup. I really don't think it's gonna go. I really don't think it's gonna go higher than that. Let's see. %. So I think at most here, there's a 30% upside left. Maximum. And I'm not really sure how low this is going to go. But again, this will come crashing down, as with every short squeeze. Probably to at least 505, maybe lower. And let's do the math there. And from the current price of 855, that would be at least a 40% downside. That would be a 40% downside, and possibly even more if it breaks 505. So yeah, just way too risky for my liking. I think you missed a chance, and at this point, going long here would be a gamble, not really an investment. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. And make sure you hit the sell button if you do manage to make a profit. Get in, get your attendees, get out. But I would say going long here would be a high risk, high reward play. So I wouldn't go for it. But if you do want to go long, please do that at your own risk. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. I think it's a pretty good play because again, this will have to come crashing down at some point. But I would try to hold off and get this at a better price. 855, not a bad entry at all. An above average entry. Borderline, an excellent entry. Again, it's not overbought and overvalued just yet, but pretty much there. So I would have no problems with you guys going short at 855, as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here. That should work out really well. But personally, I would try to get this back at 11. But personally, I would try to get this back at 950 or higher, possibly 11. And I think anything at 950 and higher would be a very excellent entry. Really shouldn't go too much higher than that. Again, I think the highest this is going to go is 11. Again, not sure how low this is going to go, but it is going to come crashing down. It has to at some point, sooner or later. I believe it will come down to at least 505. So I would say going short here at 855 would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot. Again, I have no problems with you guys shorting here at the current price. But I think going short at 950 and higher would be a low risk, high reward play. So personally, I would try to hold off. See if you can get a better short entry, but really can't go too wrong here at 855. As long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure. So I can't support going short at 855 and higher. And you should be able to make some pretty fat tendies. I personally would cover at 505. So pretty straightforward, guys. The stock is still short squeezing. Ape's still fighting here. This may have a bit more upside to go. It doesn't appear like it's done squeezing just yet. But I don't really think there's too much more upside. And at some point, it's going to have to come crashing down. So if you want to go long, high risk, high reward, please do that at your own risk. It's a gamble at this point. And if you want to go short, 855, not a bad entry. Really can't go too wrong here, as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure. Personally, I try to hold off and get a better entry. But going short should pay off pretty big. At the current price or higher. So I can't support going short. And personally, I would cover around $5. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to, so congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is RDBX Redbox Entertainment. Alright, we're done with the TA, guys. Took a little longer than I expected, but we're done with that. Did you talk about Nvidia? I missed it. Yeah, Wilson, I did. Pretty much, it looks really strong. It looks bullish. I would not short this. I would definitely go long. Cup and handle, double gap down, bull flag, all bullish indicators, neutral RSI. It's a blue chip value stock, not going anywhere. So, yes, I would go long for sure. Definitely would not go short. Redbox, nice entry at 4. Yeah, if you know, if slash when it comes back down there. So you can load up at 4 and wait for the next short squeeze. I say 445 would be a pretty decent entry on the long side. Alright, so we're done with the TA, guys. Let's get on to the Yolos. This shouldn't take too long. Let me check YouTube. I don't think too many people are left here. Oh, we're at 6 people. So not many people did leave. So I appreciate everyone who's still here. Not sure who's still here, but you guys the real ones. Where's my memes at?
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And let's finish up with the Yolos here. Give me 1 second, guys, to pull that up. But yeah, guys, this shouldn't take too long. So if you have anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything. Otherwise, we'll just finish up with the Yolos and we'll get out of here. Only 5 Yolos. This really shouldn't take too long. What up, Brucey, baby? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Want to play the meme, but I'm kind of lagging here. Why not?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Watch out for a market crash next week since Fed meeting soon. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, and we have been running. We did have a winning streak here lately, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do have a pullback. But in the Fed meeting, I'm not expecting anything crazy. I'm just kind of expecting them to say nothing has changed. We're gonna keep raising rates at 0.5%, you know, every other month, and everything's going to according to plan. I don't think anything crazy is gonna come out of the Fed meeting. I think it's kind of already priced in, to be honest. Hopefully, IMPP will run tomorrow. Yeah, you know, if not tomorrow, it looks bullish long term. Oil's doing really well right now, so I wouldn't be too worried about that. All right, guys, please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Give this a second to finish loading, and we'll get started here. All right, so yeah, we should finish pretty soon. Definitely before 6. Yes, thank you, Ken. Please smash the like. All right, done loading. All right, guys. So today I only got 5 Yolos, 2 memes, and 3 actual Yolos. So this shouldn't take too long. Should be fun. Let's do it, guys. Wall Street Bets is slacking. The content has definitely gone down in quality. But yeah, okay. So this is by Flying Bananas 5-6. Officially in a recession. So here we got a billboard, inflation special, Tuesday and Sunday $10 dances from Polecats. So I've never actually been to a strip club myself. But it sounds like Tuesdays and Sundays are slow days. So trying to bring in business here. I don't know. Is $10? Is that a good price? You guys let me know. I really have no idea. Seems pretty fair, but depends how long the dance is. Maybe a couple minutes for $10. Why not? But yeah, I don't think going to the strip club is a good way to spend your money. So I've never personally went, but $10 doesn't seem that bad. Especially with inflation. So that's pretty funny though. Nice billboard. What up, Patrick Hornick?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Nice to see you again. How's it going, bud? Still holding Redbox strong. Glad to see reporting on the squeeze is still on. Yeah, I forgot what your entry was, but I think it was like $6 or something. Remind me, please. But yeah, dude, made some pretty fat tennies there. Congrats to you. Do you have a plan? Do you have an exit plan, or are you just gonna time in hands? You know, not financial advice, but I would look to take at least something out, if not everything, pretty soon. I do believe it's coming to an end. Not saying it will, but you know, if I were in your position, I would definitely you know, look to take profits pretty soon. But yeah, congrats to you, dude. Give you the money. Just under 3. Wow. Yes. Well, okay. So that's some really, really fat tendies. Almost 200%. Wow. Congrats to you, dude. That is some fat gains. Yeah, you know, at this point, you really can't expect too much more. Honestly, I think it's a good time to hit the sell button. You know, maybe not everything. Maybe you can play in house money, but I would at least take out the cost basis, you know. But hey, that's just me. That's just me. So, whatever you decide to do, you know, update me, update us. But congrats so far. And yeah, good luck to you, dude. And yes, thank you, Brucey Baby. If you guys want to join Discord, link in the description. If you want to chat anytime, not just during the live show. Or the quality of the dance. That is true, too. I don't know where this is, but it kind of looks like some, you know, place in the random place in the middle of nowhere. So I don't expect the quality of the dancer to be too good. So maybe that's why it's $10. I think in New York, the quality of the dancer would be a lot better. But I don't know. I've never been. Just taking a guess. Alright, this is by Hotto Dog U2. Guaranteed to never go wrong. Okay. So here's a meme for Flex Tape. Don't you love this guy? These infomercials, Flex Tape, Flex Seal. Miss Billy Mays. But yeah, you got this guy. I remember this commercial. Flex Tape. You could just slap it on anything. Bam, it'll fix it. So here we got J Powell and the leading stock market. Bam, money printer. Problem solved. It worked the first time. It worked the first time. I don't think it's gonna work again. But hey, I'd be all for it. I'd be for the money printer, and just let me dump my bags, and then it can dump again. But yeah, it worked. Coming back to bite us in the ass now, but it worked the first time. So pretty funny meme here. Temporary fix. Bam, slap it on. Now we got to deal with all this stuff. Inflation. Full lineup of dancers there equal a full set of teeth. Yeah, that's, yeah, again, I'm not sure where that was, but it kind of seems like meth country. so yeah, don't really expect them to have all their teeth. Gotta get dentures or something. Alright, this is by the Better Theta. F.U. Gary. He's referring to Gary Gensler, chairman of the SEC, which doesn't do anything. So what do we have here? Got a YOLO. So we got a bunch of GME FDs. Everything FDs, actually. GME, Bed Bath & Beyond, Apple, Amazon, and Tesla FDs. All expiring in June. But we'll just focus on the GME FDs here. So these all expire June 10th on Friday. We got 130, 140, 150, 200, 160, 180 calls. So, all in all, this is a 22.5K YOLO, and he's up. Right now, he's at 26.5K, so up 4K. Nice. So, yeah, don't do this, guys. This is insane. You know, unless you can afford to do this and gamble. But, you know, this is pretty risky. What's GME at? 146. So actually, 2 of these are in the money. The rest of them are not. So I think this is pretty obvious at this point. Gotta hit the sell button. Gotta hit the sell button. You know, if not, good chance this you lose a lot of money here. I think he got lucky, and he shouldn't push his luck too much. So occasionally it does work out. Worked out here, but you gotta know when to hit the sell button. Diamond hands is not the way. That's how apes get screwed. So, I don't like to play, but he got lucky it worked out, and take the profits, dude. Take the profits and run. Or just don't, and, you know, diamond hands and let it ride. But I think the more responsible thing to do is to take the profits here. So, the better theta, thanks for posting. Straight up gamble here, after Yolos, but it's working out. But yeah, I think you should sell before they all go to 0, or a lot of them go to 0. Take your profits, dude. Don't be an ape. So, thanks for hosting. Congrats to you so far. Please hit the sub button. But no matter what happens, please post updates. Alright, this is by SF9191. Keyboard error, accidentally bought 20k in puts, sold for a 20% gain. So yeah, this occasionally happens. You fat finger by accident, and somehow it works out a lot of the time. So I'm not sure what he really meant to do. Did he mean to buy 2k in puts? I don't know, but 20k in puts. Yeah, and he sold for 2k gain here. Nice, nice. Straight up luck, straight up luck. So it would have worked anyway, but it would have made a lot less money. So good thing it didn't go the wrong way, cause that would have been pretty messed up. Would have been pretty stressful. Glad it worked out though. Glad it worked out though. But yeah, guys, make sure you double check your orders always. Fat fingering can lead to a lot of mistakes. I think some guy from Citibank fat fingered and cost the company $50 million or something ridiculous. Probably got fired too. So always double check, guys. And this is by St. Paul Gym, St. Paul Gym. I play for the long game. So nothing too crazy here, but this is his 2022 graph. Looks like he was over 50k, like 55k, and now he's down to 28k, 29k. So about a 30% or 30k loss here.
And it's gone.
So not sure what his exact positions are, but I would assume it's growth stocks. Because if they were FDs, he would have lost everything. And I don't think they're value stocks, because value should have held up better than this. So I think they're mostly meme stocks, meme growth stocks. But yeah, welcome to the club. Everyone getting wrecked here in 2022. So, you know, just hold. Just diamond hands, just hold. It'll come back eventually. Hopefully pretty soon. But yeah, still sucks. Losing over half your portfolio here. But hang in there. Just diamond hands. You'll be alright, dude. So, St. Paul Gym, thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss. Just diamond hands. Hold. In the long term, it will come back. Just a matter of when, not if. But it may take a while. Hopefully soon. Thoughts on Spirit Airlines with the buyout? I got into under 17, just curious on the play. What's the ticker? I'm not too familiar with Spirit Airlines. What's the ticker? But yeah, guys, that's the show for today. That's all I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, we're finishing right on time here, about 2 hours. So good stuff. You know, not too much to get through, but, you know, decent amount of people here. Good crowd. Appreciate everyone. So anything else, guys? We'll just finish up with Spirit Airlines. And anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything. Otherwise, we'll just end with some charts here. What is AERC at? Double check that one. SPRT. Is that right? Isn't that support? I don't think that's the right ticker. That's support.com, which isn't support anymore. Spirit Airlines ticker. It's SAVE. That's what it says here. Unless we're looking at different things. I think it's SAVE. Let me just double check what AERC is at. So it's holding around 1150. Alright, so I'm just going to assume it's SAVE, Patrick. And what's up with the buyout? I'm not too familiar with what's going on there. JetBlue buyout? Is there a price? So I don't think there's a stock price. Oh, 31.50. So that's very bullish. 31.50. That's you know, that's almost 100% gain it would be for you. So I mean, so there's not too much downside here unless another Twitter situation happens, you know, where well, there's no deal yet, but it looks like JetBlue is really wants to acquire this. So according to the chart, you know, there's this gap here at 2360, so it should at least come back up there. And a cup here at 28, so it should come back up there eventually. There's a gap up here at 17, so it may pull back down there, but unlikely. You know, so yeah, I guess at this point, either way, if it doesn't get acquired or if it does get acquired, I think 17 is a really good entry. You know, you kind of caught the bottom here, almost caught the literal bottom at 16. So either way, if the buyout happens or it doesn't happen, you're good, dude. So congrats to you on that. Very nice catch there. But yeah, you know, regardless of the buyout, this does look pretty bullish in the short and long terms. Cup and handle, gap down. And if it does go through, you know, 31.50 is what it says. That'd be a really fat gain for you. So no matter what happens, you're in a great position here. So I think if you hold and the deal doesn't go through, you should be able to get this at 28. You know, should come back up there. And if it does go through, then it'll be 31.50, and that, you know, massive gain there. So yeah, great catch, and whatever happens, should be a W for you. Pretty big gain. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. So great show. A lot of people here. Kind of surprising for a Tuesday. Tuesday's pretty slow, but yeah, we went 2 hours, finishing right on time. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. And anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns? Put in the chat right now. But I think most people are gone. No one really said anything. So I'll give you guys a minute. And if not, we'll get out of here. Let me double check YouTube. 7 viewers, 16 likes. So a lot of people still here. Appreciate everyone. Appreciate all the regulars, all the new people, all the lurkers.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. And yeah, that's all I got. So I'll give you guys another minute if you guys want to say anything. Otherwise, we out of here. All right, peace out, Ken. Thanks, Patrick. Nice seeing you again. And yeah, Brucey, you're growing. Well, we're growing. It's a community thing. It's not just me. We're growing. Couldn't do it without you guys. But yeah, definitely. We're almost at 900 now. Major milestone coming up. 1,000. Almost there. Almost there. So, yeah. You know, community's growing bigger every day. Discord's growing. YouTube channel's growing. And I got some pretty big plans here in the future, you know, for the content. It's like slowly coming. I got a vision. It's slowly coming into reality. But we've come a long way. We've come a long way. For sure. But yeah. Thanks to you guys. Do you have a P.O. Box? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I don't remember it off the top of my head. But yes, I do have a P.O. Box. I can DM you in Discord or I'll just put it in general chat. But yeah, I'll DM you on Discord what it is, dude. I can't remember what it is right now. Why, you gonna send me something? I should do send Thai stuff. Just send me random stuff. Whatever you guys want. I'll just open it up live. You should put it in Discord. All right, dude. Yeah, I'll DM you and I'll put it in general chat. And if you guys want to join Discord, link in the description. But maybe that could be a segment. Just send Thai stuff, and then I'll just open up whatever you guys send me live. That'd be pretty fun. All right, guys. So I think that's it. Let's get out of here. So appreciate everyone. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.